Okay, welcome back everyone to another Midjourney version 5 tutorial, and I can bet it is going to be a very interesting one for you because the technique that I'm going to show you here in this video is never not being applied. At least I have not seen this technique being applied to generate consistent characters. And this is the fun part. Probably I am the first one to explore this, and I'm the first one to put it out. And eventually, let me know in the comments if you're doing this stuff and you're already producing this the consistent characters using this technique. But um, enough for the excitement, and without further wasting time, we'll jump right into this exercise. Now, other day I was exploring these various Midjourney version 5 prompts and the differences between the quality of the version 4 and the 5. And so I came across this fascinating style, which is called, I write it here, it's called comic strip style. I'll show you in a minute what it is, but it's a very interesting find. So what we will do here is that, so if I do an imagine on comic strip style, and render it with V5, it will just bring up a strip of comic characters, various comic characters. So let's wait and see. Hopefully it should not take that long to disappoint me again. But if it does, unfortunately, I'll have to stop the videos and then come back again. So it's taking a while probably. Well, let's do just one time cancel and then starting again. Slash imagine comic strip style V5. Okay, hopefully it's able to do it now. Right, we have something pretty slow, pretty slow for Midjourney at this time. It's generating something. That's good stuff. Okay, we're gonna see what it is. And by the prompt, you can see that it's a simple a strip of comic style characters, right? So it's gonna come up with just strip of different kind of characters for the rendered image. But at least we're done here. If we look at the output, it's a different set of characters. Now thinking of this one, I realized at that point that maybe because if you look at these images, these look pretty consistent for even cartoonish kind of characters, right? So I thought it'll be a good exercise if we use the same script style to generate consistent characters and in different poses, right? So let's do it. So I'll use this comic strip style to generate an image of a woman and see if we can produce different character styles, different poses for her, doing different things, that sort of stuff. Anyways, we can probably we can try to do an upscale of maybe version 1, I should say. A no. Yeah, so before that, I'll just do reply. No, I'm sorry. So um I'll do a DM. Right, I'll do a DM of this job. So I'll get the seed, I'll copy the seed, and then I will do another imagine. I'll write very simple imagine prompt for a woman named Carla in her 20s and doing different things and in different moods. Comic strip style. And let's do a seed of this previous image and do a render with version 5. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see if Midjourney comes up with something interesting. Okay, okay. All right, let's see if it's picking up different moods or different things. Okay, it's rendering something. Still good for duplication, for consistency, right? The character details are not that much of a focus, but let's see. Okay, yeah, so we see these different characters. So pretty consistent characters we can see, and yeah, it's looking good so far. Let's actually do another imagine. Imagine a woman in her 20s, uh, doing different poses, and seed should be, let's do a seed of the same image that we had, and let's do V5. So yeah, no need to put a comma there. Let's run it. Let's see. We'll wait a bit. Okay, at least it's coming up with something. Okay, pretty interesting. And I think we are getting close to what we wanted. And there we go. There we literally go. Amazing, isn't it? So if we do an upscale of 1, it is definitely going to blow your mind. So have a look at this one. It's a single consistent character in different poses. There you have, there you have your character. And if we try to do an upscale of, let's say, yeah, for the sake of fun, I'm gonna do an upscale of all of these characters. So let's do an upscale of 2. Okay, so let's see. Yep, let's open that in the browser. Same character, but eventually a little bit broken, as you can see. That's the algorithm fault. So it's just the hands that scoot up, and yeah, just deformations noticed here, but you can see the face features are like literally they're almost same. I'll ignore this one. This does not look like a great upscale anyway, but this one is pretty good. Not for the sake of consistency, so I should say. So it's not the consistency is not a problem here, but um, the deformations in the algorithm and produced by the engine. So that's the problem here, right? So yeah, let's check this one. Let's open that in a different browser. Oh, that's not a woman in her 20s anyway, but yeah. So I think the best one is this. So this one is something I'm going to do favorite, and we can open that on web. And this is pretty perfect. Yeah. So that's all. That's how you get your consistent characters in Midjourney version 5, right? So pretty good for a starter. And post to me on the comment section that if you tried this technique and if you found it useful. And I appreciate again the support that you all have provided me so far, and I'm able to produce these different experiments in front of you. So until next time, we'll meet again. You take good care of your time. Take good care. Bye bye.